Welcome to Monday Night Raw. Michael Cole here with Jerry the King Lawler. We've been informed that Drew McIntyre must compete for his place in the World Heavyweight Championship Elimination Chamber match against Raw's newest acquisition.
Newest acquisition? Who could that be?
I don't know, but we'll find out next. The Miz has joined Raw. This is great.
Did you miss me, Raw? Huh? Did you? Shut up. I know you did. Now I'm going to use small words so that you can all understand me. I'm going to face King Drew here alone. Do you understand, Barrett? You gotta go. And King Drew, after I'm done beating you, I'm going to take the title off your friend, the Lord of the Uglies. Because I'm the Miz, and I'm awesome.
Barrett's left ringside, and now the Miz and Drew McIntyre will compete for the final spot in the Elimination Chamber match for the World Heavyweight Championship.
And Sheamus must be sweating bullets in the back, knowing that McIntyre doesn't have any backup.
McIntyre is going to take a chance. Oh, and he eats the canvas. And the Miz gets out of it unscathed.
Ah, look at this.
A belly-to-belly suplex.
Now that's how you do it. Uh-oh, this is bad. Watch out here. Oh, look out.
Devastating shot to the spine and back. Look at the eyes of McIntyre. Everything he does is with purpose. Ken, when you look at the Elimination Chamber match for the WWE Championship, you have to think that Barrett is the favorite to retain.
Yeah, I think he has to be at this point. Depending on when he and William Regal enter the match, the rest of the field could be facing a 2-on-1 handicap.
And what about Sheamus? If Miz can win here, what's that do to Sheamus's chances of retaining his championship?
Well, they plummet. At this point, it becomes every man for himself. And with guys like Cena, and in that scenario, the Miz in the match, it really becomes anybody's game. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Targeting the ribs and the lower back. That just takes all of the... That's it. He's out.
What does the Miz need to do at this point, King?
Well, look.
Drew hooking the arms. Future shock. Drew with a destructive DDT. Great reaction. Miz.
Oh, man. The Miz just got clocked.
Oh, what a neck breaker. There you go, Miz.
Hey!
And there's the belly-to-belly suplex.
Every muscle in that body is battered now.
Oh, what a counter. A great counter by the Miz. And now Miz going for the skull-crushing finale.
Yeah, well, he better watch out.
Right in the jaw. McIntyre just got blasted.
Here comes the ref.
Miz advances to Elimination Chamber.
Barrett can't believe what just happened.